What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I wanted to come on and share with you some final thoughts that I have on the Maintain products by the Dollar Curl Club. Now, I brought these products to you last year sometime, the end of last year, and I did a twist out with those products, and I really did enjoy the products. So I wanted to talk to you about them again today. So I did use the products, or I have been using the products. So as you can see, the Hydrating Gentle Cleanse Shampoo is about down to here. And guys, I really do, really do like this shampoo. It is a gentle cleanse. It lathers really well. The smell is okay, nothing to write home about. It's a coconut and aloe smell, but it doesn't stink. It's just a regular smell. So those of you who are sensitive to smells, I don't think that this would bother you. But I just like it. It has slip to it. It has moisture to it. I'm able to finger detangle slightly with this shampoo. So this is really good. If you guys did not use the link that I put in my last video to try out the Dollar Curl Club products, I will have it in the description box in this video as well. And I suggest that you try them out. Like I said, you can get a whole wash day for like 30 bucks or something like that. And that's not bad. So, or $39. So you're paying maybe $10 each or a little less for, a shampoo, a conditioner, a leave-in, and a styler, or put it together how you want to. They do have a deep conditioner. I just didn't have that, and I do want to try it, so I will be picking up their deep conditioner just to give it a try. But I definitely like the shampoo, so I wanted to come back and share that with you guys. And then I went in with the Hydrating Detangling conditioner, and it's about down to here. So in my previous video, I really rant and raved about this. Well, I said that I liked it. I don't know how much I ranted and raved about it, but I really did enjoy this. It was moisturizing. It had a lot of slip. I was able to detangle. I did my hair in the shower with it, and I really enjoyed it. And I said if I would suggest anything, it would be the shampoo and the conditioner. So I still like the conditioner, but I did want to come back and just share with you that this, the time that I used it, I'm not one who uses a whole lot of oils and butters and things like that in my hair, so it's never really that hard to cleanse my hair. But when I used this the last time, I did have a little bit more oils and butters in my hair because of the products I had used before the wash. And so I will say that this to me didn't seem like it worked as well, if you know what I'm saying. So this felt like like I said, it's a gentle cleanse, so I liked it. But when you have a whole lot of oils and butters in it, this may not be enough. The shampoo may not be enough, so I had to shampoo a lot, and that's why my shampoo was down to get it out. But I still do like it. So with that being said, when I went in with the conditioner, I didn't feel like it had quite the same feeling and everything that I got the very first time. So, and that could be because I had, still some residue of butters and things like that on my hair. So with that being said, my hair just felt differently. It just didn't seem like this soaked in as well. It didn't seem like it detangled as well as it did the last time. Still not saying that it's not bad. I'm just saying that these products do work differently if you are someone who uses a whole lot of creams and butters, silicones and things like that in your hair. Okay, so I wanted to come back and say that because I didn't want you guys to go out and get it and be like, oh, I don't like it. For those of you who don't use a lot of that stuff, you use mainly water soluble products, you use water-based products, light products, you like your hair, and then you go to wash, the only thing that you're really washing out is, you know, dust particles, maybe a little bit of scalp oil or something like that. These would be nice. You probably would get the same feeling I got before, but if you're someone who has a whole lot of butters and a whole lot of buildup on your hair, you're going to get a different result, is all that I'm saying. But I still like it. The detangling conditioner, I think it works well. It just works differently when your hair has more on it. Then of course I went in with the leave-in conditioner, and I am just not impressed with the leave-in conditioner. It's just okay to me. It doesn't have a whole lot of oomph to me. I mean, it soaks into the hair okay and things like that, but I just don't feel a whole lot of moisture or hydration from it. It smells really good. To me, it smells better than the shampoo. And it is one of those leave-ins that I think that the moisture probably comes later. And I say that because you don't feel it initially when you put it on your hair. And I have some other leave-ins that do that as well. And then once you style it, the moisture lasts. So you know that the leave-in is doing something. However, you're not going to feel it on the initial application of your hair. So I just want to stress that to you. For me, I like to feel it on the initial application of my hair. That's just me, because I don't want to wonder. So this twist out that you see right here is from using the Dollar Club products, the Maintain products. So after using the leave-in, I did go in with the curl defining cream. That's what it looks like. I still have quite a bit left, so I probably have used half of it, and I've used it more than once. So I think a little bit of this goes a long way. I actually think that I use too much. So based on how I've been using it, I probably could get 4 uses out of this 8-ounce jar, but if I'm using too much, I probably could get 5 or 6 uses out of it. So it just depends. But it's a good cream. Let me tell you about it. So, and I said I liked it before. It's creamy. It has that little kind of tack. It's not tacky like sticky, but you saw that how you can tell it has hold to it. So that's what I like about it. This definitely has hold to it. Look at the definition of my hair, and guys, I have stretched it and everything, but the definition is there. You get a lot of definition with this. So the leave-in and the cream together, you're going to get some really good definition, and my hair still feels soft and it still feels moisturized. So I do feel like that the leave-in does moisturize. You just don't feel it initially. But the definition is definitely there. So if you're someone who likes to twist out, a braid out, or whatever, and you like to have hold, then I would say pick this up and try it. Again, it's not crunchy. It's not a hold like you would get from a gel that you use for a wash and go, but it's definitely a hold, and you can see my hair. And it's a hold because once you twist your hair, I do mine on wet hair. So I'm talking to people who do their twist outs on wet hair. Once you put this on your hair and you twist your hair, it does not sit on top a whole lot. So that's a pro. That's what I really like about it. It soaks in pretty well. But when it starts to dry, you can feel the hold on your twist. And it's also kind of scary because you're like, ooh, this is going to be crunchy. It's going to flake. You can feel it. Like, you think if you squeeze your twist that, you know, flakes will come off, but it doesn't. I have had no flaking with these products. So these products work well together and they don't flake. But you will feel the hold on your twist. If you're someone who twists your hair and you wear your hair as a style, you know, wear your hair and twist as a style, and you want those twists to stay, this is something that you need to try because you can feel the hold on the twist. I think that it will make it stay moisturized. I think it will stay twisted, nice and tight. I do feel like it has some shine while it was twisted. Right now, I don't have a whole lot of shine, but my hair looks healthy. It looks the color of my hair. And so it doesn't look dull or gray or anything like that. So I like that. So Again, guys, if you didn't get a chance to pick up these products, at least give them a try for $10 each or less, and they're pretty good and they last a while. You know, they can stretch. At least gives you an opportunity to see if it's something that you would like. And if it is, then you know you can just buy you can buy what you want in the grouping and save money that way. So I really like the cream, and I think I said in my previous video about this that I wanted to try it for wash and go, and I was going to do it the next time I used it, but because I had somewhere to go and I needed my hair to turn out, I opted for the twist out because I know that I liked it for that. So, but I'm still going to try to use this for a wash and go and see how much hold it has for a cream only wash and go, or at least since this has a little bit of hold, maybe use this under a gel that doesn't have a whole lot of hold and see if that helps. We'll see. Haven't decided exactly what I'm gonna use it with, whether I'll use it with a gel or by itself, but I definitely want to try it for a wash and go. So I really do like this cream. The smell's just okay. If you guys are looking for really good smelling products, these are not it. They're not bad. They're just not really gourmand and things like that. But they definitely give you a great twist out. So if for nothing else, I would say pick up the shampoo and the cream if you can. You know, I don't know. I just want to come back and give you guys some more thoughts on it. So they're gentle products. So if you use a whole lot of creams and butters, I'm not sure how you would feel about the shampoo because you may not feel that it cleanses enough. But if you do not and you like a really gentle shampoo and you're looking for a gentle shampoo, then I say that this is a good one. So yeah, guys, that's all I pretty much wanted to say about these products. So this is my hair. I believe I kept my twist in. I think I twisted my hair up. I believe I kept it in. I usually take them out on the 3rd day, but I think I kept them in either 4 or 5 days. And then I took them out, and then this is day 2 twist out. So technically my hair has been 5, 6, 7. My hair probably has been, you know, this is a 7-day hair, and it's pretty much still moisturized. Have I had more moisturized hair? Yes, I have. So I'm not going to say, oh my God, you know, this is the most moisturized. No. But for me not having to have added any more products to it, it's lasting. Again, you can feel the oils in it. It's not overly greasy or anything, so I'm not scared to touch anything, but I definitely can feel it. So I do want to let you know that as well. Anyway, guys, that's it. Hopefully you liked this video. Hopefully it was helpful. Again, I will have a link to these products in my description box, and it doesn't hurt to pick them up and give them a try. And if you don't like them, you don't have to repurchase. Don't feel like this is a subscription plan, but don't feel like you have to get the subscription. You can purchase what you want to purchase without a subscription, pay for it. But if you get the subscription, then of course, you know, you can decide on whether you want it to come monthly, every 2 months, every 3 months, or however you want it to come. It's up to you. But anyway, they'll explain all that on the site. But yeah, guys, that's it. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.